springtime, so I got the soft doors off now. So this is after the Red Bull race. I just got the door bent back so it closes nice and good now. That got pushed forward because the door bent right here when I went on my side. I ended up finishing 7th out of about 50 racers in my class. The only other thing I gotta do is grab right here, so I'll probably park some forklifts in front of the tires or put it up against the wall or something and pull on the bumper. Just this bottom needs to bend out a little the way it's mounted under there. Then that will pull this straight. It's just a hair off right now. And then we're gonna use these bolts to mount a cage. I mean, not a cage, a roof rack. I'm gonna take these bolts here and reuse them to make a rack so I can have the kayaks or a small boat on there. So I'll have a rack up there. It'll be short. It'll be just enough to get over the light. It's about 2-inch standoff. The foam under here worked good. The bumper got pushed back, so it's harder to get out now. Nice and clean. And that's just from power washing it without taking that off. I didn't spray it off or nothing. So I think I'm going to leave it in there. That was to help with overheating during the race. Oh yeah, the only other thing is this. I might try bending that back out some too. I got pushed out of a turn. Somebody hit me on the inside. See the mark right there where it hit. So now it's a little bent. Alright, we got this ratchet strapped up like this with the forklifts on the wheels. And it's actually working. I think I might have to go a couple more. So you can see the gaps are pretty similar. I want to go a little past because it's probably going to bounce back a little. I got that all the way to here. Bumper's back straight. I'm happy with that. The gaps on both sides are about the same. Much better. It was pushed in quite a bit. The bar was crooked to Polaris. Now it's straight. I'll take it. Alright, just to finish the rack now. Alright, so I got these 4 standoffs made. I'm going to put 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Then I just got to make the top part of the cage. This is the orientation they'll be in. One will be facing back in the front. And this one will be to the inside. I'll be reusing the bolts for the hood. And they should be just about the same width doing it that way. Lines up pretty good. is what I'm using with the foot pedal so I can control the heat. I don't have any steel filler wire left, so I have to use stainless, but that's fine. You can use stainless on steel, it's not gonna hurt it. It's just more money. Alright, I got done welding it and I'm about to paint it black right now. I didn't clean up any of the welds right now because I'm just gonna paint over it. So the legs, the standoffs are different height because the RZR leans forward a little with the roof, so I was compensating for that angle. We'll see how it looks when it's on. Alright, so here it is painted up. I still got to bolt it on. I just got it sitting there right now, but I think the angle of it came out pretty good. Alright, so I got the roof bolted on, the roof rack, and it's done. That's it for this one. I left it open with no crossbar because I want to be able to put coolers and totes up there with the kids' toys and stuff when we go swimming. It's probably under 10 pounds, so I'm not too worried about any weight issues or anything like that. Until the next one.